The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. 24 and I say nothing. This is emergency. This is them do all the damn time.
Hello?
Hello, yes. Me need assistant at Blueberry Corner, Islington, St. Mary. This is a car accident.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force strongly recommends that all Jamaicans...
Them can't just move him just so. I head, him a bleed out of him nose, you know, them can't just move him so.
Hello?
Yes, me need officer at Blueberry Corner.
Where is Blueberry Corner?
Islington, St. Mary.
What's happening there?
Excuse me?
What is happening there?
Yeah, it's a car accident. Individual spun out of control, hit a pole and then hit a wall. And out of shock, he flew out of his vehicle and bleeding out of his nose.
Alright, don't hang up the phone here. Don't hang up.
Yo, no move yet, big man, no move yet. No man, no make him move just so do, man. You know, let's make him sit up. Make him sit up.
Frequent washing of hands and sanitization. Wear a mask in public places and avoid... Jamaica Constabulary Force strongly recommends that all Jamaicans take all the necessary precautions to reduce the risk of contracting the COVID-19 infection. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Frequent washing of hands and sanitization.
Go ahead, sir. Talk to the police.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I need an assistant. An individual spun out, hit a light post, and then hit a wall at Blueberry Corner in Islington. Bleeding out of his nose.
He might bleed out of his nose?
Yes. No, vehicle unable to move.
No, anybody in the area.
If anybody in the area? There's, well, we don't really want to move him unless if somebody's skilled there around the place, you know, because if something worse happened to him, then who are going to take fault?
If what?
If something worse happened to him, this is a head trauma.
But we don't have ambulance.
So you tell me, say nobody up there no certify we can deal with something like this?
It's a police station,
yeah. This is nobody up there no trained to deal with something like this in case of emergency. No CPR or paramedics or somebody no trained up there.
So what time accident took place?
Just a while ago, right now. Not even 5 minutes yet.
At 2 o'clock a curfew time.
At 2 o'clock a curfew, and this is an essential worker. It's a floor contractor that's on the road. Right now, because of that, about 40 people left on the road.
They might forget one vehicle. We don't know nearby. We call a while ago. This is the command center. We are sending 4 fire.
Backside. They don't try to put him on a vehicle. Anybody can carry him, go down there.
All right, do that then.
All right. Them say them can't. They say
I record this a sign. So them couldn't deal with the whole thing a little quicker so that an emergency team could respond to the whole situation where the person I let them know about. Eh? Alright, my people, big up and respect Dancehall skilla there again, you see it? Yeah, manners and respect. Alright, so I just presented to you an audio, and in that audio you can hear a phone conversation between a civilian and the police officers from within the country of Jamaica. And the civilian said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that a motor vehicle accident happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica and a person got injured. You see? Now I am wondering if the police contacted the necessary emergency team to handle that situation. You see? I am wondering, you know, I'm not saying that they did not, because I don't know what happened after that phone call ended in viewers and subscribers. You see me, I say, me is the kind of person I like to think. You see me? I like to think and observe. I mean, I just jump to conclusions. You see me? And most likely, the police are going to respond to that situation. Yeah, most likely. See? So, are them things that I think about. Listen this. Now, if me Dancehall skilla witness a car accident and I realize that someone got injured, and if I take my phone and call the police within the country of Jamaica and let them know about the car accident and also let them know that someone got injured, isn't it a part of the police duty to contact the necessary emergency team to respond to the situation? Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, you know. Because within myself, I know I am right. But you can tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. You see? Anyways, let me know what you think about the audio that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to videos. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows what it looks like when sections of a place that is known as Brownstown, that is within the parish of St. Ann, that is within the country of Jamaica, flooded because of rainfall that happened sometime within the month of May the year 2021. Yeah, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows what it looks like when sections of Brownstown, St. Ann, Jamaica flooded because of rainfall that happened sometime within the month of May the year 2021. You see? Let me know what you think about these videos, viewers and subscribers, alright? Now here are the videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Water! Well, I don't turn our street. Well, I don't turn our street. Big plastic water.
John, my people, I wonder if the rain caught those vendors off guard. You see me I say? Yeah man, I wonder, you know. Yeah, in one of the videos it seems as if food wash and all them things, you see me? Anyways, let me know what you think about those videos, viewers and subscribers, alright? And I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person complaining about working for a company that is known as Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. Yeah, this video shows a person complaining about working for a company that is known as Amazon. And in this video, the person used some harsh languages. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
So my supervisor tell me say, me get time at task because me go to the bathroom, zin. So me I work 10 hours. Zin, and you only allow 13 minutes bathroom bumper rascal break. That them feast the people now want shit and bumper rascal piss. The bathroom the one bumper clock mile from where you work site there. That take only 30 minutes alone to filter the bathroom. People, if you don't want to work for Amazon, change in the blood clot mine. And I want a good place to work, yeah? System fuck up. They don't value them workers. You see what I say? Because I know if somebody have a 10-hour shift and only allow 30 minutes bathroom break out of 10 bomber-ass clock hour. Eh? Suck on the mother Amazon. Bomber-ass clock, man.
You know, people, this person seems really upset. Yeah, man, he seems really upset, you know. Alright, my people, I just make you know about audio and the videos that are being talked about on social media. You can let me know what you think about the audio and the videos that I just presented to you. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla 10.